Ever spent hours digging through receipts, frantically explaining a crumpled cab fare to your boss, or dreaded that monthly expense report email? We've all been there. But what if there was a way to streamline the entire expense process, from receipt capture to reimbursement, all in one place? Expensify, your expense report superhero. Enter Expensify, the expense management software that's about to become your new best friend. Forget manual data entry and lost receipts. Expensify helps you track, categorize, and submit expenses with ease, whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a large company. So, how does Expensify actually work when it comes to paying those pesky bills? Let's dive in and conquer those expense report nightmares together. Sign up and get familiar. First things first, you'll need an Expensify account. Signing up is quick and free, and you can access it through their website or mobile app. Once you're in, take some time to explore the interface. Get comfortable with features like the dashboard, where you'll see an overview of your expenses, and the settings, where you can manage things like payment methods and company policies. Adding expenses, paperless perfection. Now, for the fun part, adding your expenses. Expensify offers several ways to do this, making it super convenient for everyone. The Receipt Ninja, we all know the struggle of keeping track of those little slips of paper. Expensify has you covered. Simply snap a picture of your receipt with your phone's camera, and the app automatically extracts the relevant information like date, amount, and merchant. No more manual data entry. Email forwarding hero, did you receive an expense via email? No problem. Expensify lets you forward those emails directly to a dedicated address, and it will automatically convert them into new expense entries. Manual Entry Master, if you prefer the old-fashioned way, you can still manually enter your expenses by providing details like date, amount, vendor, and payment method. Expense Power UPS, categorization and tracking. Adding expenses is just the first step. Expensify also helps you organize your spending with categories. Did you buy office supplies? Travel for work? Entertainment for a client meeting? Choose the appropriate category for each expense to gain valuable insights into your spending habits. Expensify Pro Tip, setting up default categories for recurring expenses saves you even more time. Payment time, let Expensify handle the heavy lifting. Now, onto the big question, how do you actually pay those expenses in Expensify? Here, Expensify offers two options, depending on your company's setup. Company card reimbursement. Many companies provide employees with company cards for approved business expenses. If this is the case for you, Expensify integrates seamlessly with these cards. When you use your company card for a purchase, the transaction might automatically appear in your Expensify account. You can then review the details, assign the appropriate category, and submit your expense report for reimbursement. Personal payment and reimbursement requests. If your company doesn't use company cards, you can still use Expensify to track and get reimbursed for expenses you paid for with your own money. Simply add the expense, categorize it, and submit a reimbursement request. Your manager or finance department will then review and approve your request, initiating the reimbursement process. Expensify Pro Tip. Expensify allows you to attach receipts to your expense reports, providing clear documentation for your reimbursements. Beyond payments, the power of Expensify. While simplifying expense payments is a huge benefit, Expensify offers even more. Imagine generating detailed reports that break down your spending by category, department, or project. Expensify provides these insights, helping you and your company make informed financial decisions. Expensify also integrates with popular accounting software, streamlining the entire expense management process. From expense chaos to control. Expensify takes the stress out of expense reports and payments. It's a one-stop shop for capturing receipts, categorizing spending, submitting reports, and getting reimbursed. So, ditch the manual entry, the lost receipts, and the expense report anxiety. With Expensify, you can finally say goodbye to expense report nightmares and hello to a world of financial control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.